In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Vaz Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Vaz Prep. Vaz Prep Bible knowledge. Who was the mother of Abraham's son Ishmael?
Hagar.
That's right. Montego Bay Christian Academy Bible knowledge. Who was the third son born to Adam after Cain killed Abel?
Seth.
That's correct. Vaz, local affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Favor Williams.
That's right. Montego Bay Christian Academy, local affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Charles Jr.
That's right. Science, Vaz Prep. A rock sitting on the edge of a cliff is an example of what type of energy?
Potential.
Judges?
Energy.
Correct. It's potential energy. Science, Montego Bay Christian Academy. If a rock is sitting on the edge of a cliff falls, what will potential energy be converted to?
Kinetic energy.
That's right. Vaz Prep. Television, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this character from Sesame Street.
Cookie Monster.
That's right. Television, it's a visual for Montego Bay Christian Academy. Look at the monitor and identify the character from Sesame Street.
No, it's not Oscar.
Oscar the ostrich.
No, that's not his name. No, Oscar the ostrich.
Oscar the ostrich.
Time's up. Vaz Prep?
Yes, please. Bert.
That's correct. Vaz Prep, English language, spell gallery.
Gallery.
That's right. Montego Bay Christian Academy, English language, spell savage.
Savage.
That's right. Sports, it's a visual for Vaz Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alejandro Brown.
Incorrect, it's Roger Federer. Sports, it's a visual for Montego Bay Christian Academy. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Just say something. Serena
Williams.
Incorrect, it's Venus Williams.
What the?
General knowledge, Vaz Prep. Mia Mottley is the Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
That's right. Montego Bay Christian Academy, general knowledge. Dr. Ralph Gonsalves is the Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Do you guys know? No, we haven't been taught this yet.
Trinidad and Tobago.
No. Just say.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Incorrect, it's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Social studies, Vaz Prep. What date is celebrated as Boxing Day in Jamaica?
December 26th.
That's right. Social studies for Montego Bay Christian Academy. On what day of the week in October is National Heroes Day in Jamaica?
October 12th.
No, what day?
October 12th.
October 12th.
Incorrect, it's Monday.
Oh.
Music, Vaz. Which international singer was born Robin Fenty?
Rihanna.
That's right. Music, Montego Bay Christian Academy. Which international singer was born Stefani Germanotta?
What was this? Stefani Germanotta. Did I say something earlier? Just say something. I don't know what to say.
Say something, madam. Tell me something.
Time's up, Vaz.
No, thank you.
It's Lady Gaga. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Vaz Prep on 9 and Montego Bay Christian Academy on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian New Ultimate Provider. Do not cross streets without the assistance of a traffic warden or from an adult with whom you are traveling. Safety is very important. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.